and sometimes when I do talk, there's this V thing, but I would just like to present on the natural world, because that is really where I'm coming from, and as a people, that's where we're coming from. And so I'm gonna continue. I just want to ask you, I just want to check how much time I've got so I can
should we work with 20 minutes? And
20 minutes.
yeah, so I'll talk for shorter, but yeah.
Right. I will fly through them. So what I'm gonna, so what I want to first, I want to do is to just acknowledge the natural world and the plant kingdom. And why I want to acknowledge the plant kingdom is to understand that herbal medicine is a sector of what we use from the plant kingdom. So we are a part of nature, and the plant kingdom is a part of that nature. And for us, it's a key part of nature. So we may not think about this, but I just want to look at the aspects, the fact that we use plants for oxygen, food, our homes, our clothes, fuel, perfume, ornamentals, beauty products, money, paper, ink, all of this comes from the plant kingdom. Without the plant kingdom, we cannot survive. We like to think that here in Europe we're in the first world, but the reality is that the natural world is the first world, and then we build our world on top of the first world, of which we, in the human body, is a part of. The physical body is made up from that world. So we say in herbal medicine and holistic health, because I'm a holistic health